Hey guys, so today I have got the Witch Casket box for April to show you. So if you haven't seen me unbox this before, it's £29 to the UK each month, and they do post it worldwide, but it's all different prices. So I'll put the prices that I know down below in the description, but you might have to go and check on the website for your country if it's not there. So we are just going to get straight into this. Like I said, this is the April box, and the theme for this one is air element. So this is the little booklet that we've got. It's just a black and white theme as far as I can tell. It says air elements April 2022, and in here it's all just information about the items in the box. So if you need any extra information or descriptions, anything, that is what this little booklet is for. And then we have our art print for the month. So this month it's like a little person blowing some leaves or herbs or flowers or something off their palm. Very cute. So that is the art print. And then the first item right on the top is a little book. So this is Enchanting Book of Elements by Deb Robinson. Now, Deb is one of the creators of Witch Casket, so this is kind of like their handmade book, I assume. It says, an overview of the elements of earth, air, fire, water and spirit. Learn how to represent and work with each element to enhance your magical practice. Lovingly written by Witch Casket's Deb Robinson. So in here, it's all just about, like, I'm assuming it's different spells and stuff. Yeah, distance healing spell. So this is the fire ones. Water ones, protection potion, stuff about crystals and herbs and stuff. So it's just a cute little mini booklet about the elements that we get. And then we have our spell kit for the month, and this one is a wishing powder kit. It says it contains everything you need to cast a magical wishing spell. So I'm going to open this and show you what is in here. Okay, so we've got our little instruction card. I'll hold it up just in case anyone wants to pause and read it or write it down. So that is that. And then we have some peppermint, poppy seeds and dandelion leaf. So obviously these are the poppy seeds, and then we've got peppermint and dandelion leaf as well. So 3 little herb bags in there. Then next we've got our tea for the month. You always get a tea. I wish it was coffee. I don't like tea. But these are Elemental Tea Blend Air, it says. Connect with the element of air with this magical blend of lemongrass and peppermint. Actually sounds quite nice. Brew with intent, stir clockwise and affirm. I invoke the element of air. I am imaginative. I am inspired. I have the power to make my wishes come true. So 2 little peppermint and lemongrass tea bags. Then we have our pin for the month. Again, you always get a little enamel pin. And this one is just the air element with some little clouds around it. It's very cute. Then we have our crystal. Again, pretty much always get a crystal or a gemstone or some kind of rock. This one is a blue quartz, and it's got the little air element symbol kind of engraved in there in gold. That is our blue quartz. And for this one it says it enhances creativity and aids communication and self-expression. Blue quartz is a balancing stone which is believed to lift our mood and dispel depression. So that is very cute, little blue quartz. Then next we have a little incense holder. It's like a thick wood, and it's got the elements on there. That is very cute. I don't really use incense in here because the fire alarm goes off just too easily. So, plus I've got Chili the rabbit as well. I don't want to like bother him with any scents or anything. I am a very scent person. I love scented candles and oils and stuff, and I just can't use them around him. So it's a little sad, but there is that. And to go with that, we do have some incense as well. So these are Elemental Incense Air, and they are marjoram and lemongrass. It says, like the incense, make a wish and affirm air. I send my wishes with you with total faith they will come true. So that is the incense sticks. And then we've actually only got 2 more items. I feel like this was kind of an empty-ish sort of box, but this one is quite cool. We have this little triangle shelf. I'm gonna assume that this is kind of like a crystal shelf that you put your little crystals on. You could try hang it up if you wanted to somehow, but I think it's just sort of supposed to be placed on like a table or a desk or something, like a little altar shelf. So that's pretty cute. And then the last thing in here before the scroll is this little hanging chime. It says, represent the element of air with this bewitching hanging chime. Both decorative and protective bells have long been used to keep stagnant or negative energies at bay. So it's got a little string like hook up here, and then it's a triangle like the air element, and it's got 3 little bells on. They don't really ring very much, but I kind of guess that's nice. If you had it like above a door or something, it'd make a little bit of a sound, but not a really annoying sound all the time. I think that's definitely my favourite item in the box. And yeah, that was everything. So we have the scroll. I will open it up and show you in case anyone wants to read it. So it says, the element of air in magic. Like I said, if you want to pause and read, you can do. I know it's super small. And yeah, that was everything in this month's April Witch Casket box. So I will grab everything and show you all together at once. So we had the Enchanting Book of Elements, the little art print, the Wishing Powder Kit, the wooden incense stick holder, the marjoram and lemongrass incense, 2 of the little peppermint and lemongrass tea bags, the enamel pin, the little wooden element like crystal shelf, and the hanging chime along with the scroll. So all of these items in the April Witch Casket box. I would definitely say this one was quite an empty box compared to some of them. I'm going to assume because it had the little wooden shelf and the chime at the end, they were sort of like more expensive than usual maybe, took up a bit more of the budget. But it did seem a little empty to me. Still really liked it though. I did like the shelf and the chime. The rest of it was kind of like what is usually in a witch casket box, but I did like those 2 bigger items at the bottom. So you'll have to let me know what you thought of this one down below. I'll put all of the information for them in the description in case you want to go and check it out. And I hope you liked this video. If you did, please subscribe and I will see you soon. Bye guys.